All right, guys, do you do any crafting kits, have anything like that? I tell you what, having a new crafting cutting knife and blade for it is absolutely the way to go. So we picked these up before, and I just want to show it to you as a new, right out of the package, so we can take a quick look at it. See if I can get into it right here. Nice package overall, comes shipped just like this to you. Right here, you do have a metal. Okay, you got a metal measuring stick, so it is in centimeters for you, so you're able to use that. And then on the back side of it, let's see, you have 6 inches total, and you can see that right on the back. Let's see if we can get it out of here. It is stuck in this. There it is. So front and back, just like so you're able to get proper cuts wherever you need them. And then the star of the show is going to be the actual blade itself. So what's cool about it is we did pick out the purple one so it stands out. So you do have a case for it for protected. There you go. The blade it comes with, which is nice. You're able to take this off and replace this blade at your leisure. You got a whole package of them, which is really nice. So you're able to open this up just like that. And you have a whole set of blades ready to go. As far as the blade count, this is 11, blade 11. So you're able to take that out just like that and replace it. Pop that right back on the top. And then, like any other blade, you can drop it right into the center. Okay. And there you go. Able to tighten it down. Got a good knurling right here on the handle and up top, so you're able to hold it however you want to or need to, depending on what type of craft or project. I do a lot of leather work, and that is something I need, is to make sure I have proper stuff for it. Let's see if we can cut a piece of paper simply, because these are pretty sharp blades. Look at that. Not an issue. And when you put a little weight behind it, you're going to have no problem cutting with these guys. So at the end of the day, check out DIYSELF. They have proper blades for you, for your crafting and your project needs. Check it out.